Step 2, I'm going to weld these washers, there's only 2 of them, to this end. Well, that's not too bad. It's pretty good from the top. Hopefully I didn't stop recording, but that's what it looks like. And then this is the idea. See?
Giggity giggity, giggity goo.
Like that. Okay, so that's one end of my homemade tie rod. Step 3, weld this bolt onto that tie rod tab, and eventually, well, after that I'm going to connect a washer or two to the end of this rod, which will connect directly to the other tie rod tab. This way, when you steer, both wheels, turn. That's the idea. Okay, that's